ORINEW Technology Co Limited has focused as a professional one-stop service supplier from PCB manufacturing to electronic components, sourcing to PCB assembly in China for more than 14 years. As a full turnkey PCB assembly service provider, we offer PCB manufacturing, component procurement, PCB assembly, IC programming, functional testing, CNC or mold housings manufacturing, and finished product assembly, serving from prototype quantities to small volume production to high volume production. Our state-of-the-art PCB assembly line are very nice, including 6 SMT lines, 2 AI automated dip lines, and 2 manual dip lines. We have a high quality and perfect supply chain to help customers complete finished product assembly, including the electronics areas of consumer, automotive, telecommunications, medical, industrial control, security, artificial intelligence and Internet of Things and other industry fields. Truly help customers one-stop problem solving. If you have any PCB assembly project requirements, please feel free to send us files for a quote. Our team will do our best to support your project with the most cost-effective price and fastest delivery time.